Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tomomi Gariano, a certified Zentangle teacher. Today is day 31 of Inktober 2023. So today is the last day of Inktober. Can you believe that? I'm glad that we're doing Pork Root by Zentangle for to finish up this year's Inktober. So there's not a whole lot to explain about this tangle, so I'm just gonna go in and do it. So it's gonna start with stem. Sorry, my ink is not flowing well. It's gonna start with stem. You can make it long, short. So my plan is to draw this nice and big today. So you have cap, and I usually draw this round, but I think I'm gonna, since I have space here, I'm gonna do this a little elongated today. So it's fun to try something different once in a while with the familiar tangle that you love and that you know what to do. Like once you feel comfortable, this creates a opportunity, invitation, open door for you to do something a little different. Oops, I think I want to go like this because I want this part to be kind of in the center of this berry shape. So that's not really what I intended to do, but that's all right. It's gonna look cute anyways. So this being the last day, I just want to thank you for tangling with me. If you have watched my other videos sometimes or every day, I really appreciate your support and you tangling along with me, and I hope you learn a thing or two from my video. So just adding shading under this little stem, and I'm gonna separate this. I'm not really doing nothing new. Everything I'm doing is technique I've already shown in previous videos, and I'm gonna make this pork root really nice and bright because it's such a big berry shape, and it's cute to do a bunch of little ones, but today for this tile I'm just gonna do a big three big ones. Maybe I'll add more later. We'll see. You can always change your mind. But anyways, I want to thank you for tangling with me during this Inktober for 31 days. This was kind of the challenge I gave myself. Like last year too, for the month of October, I decided to videotape myself tangling and put it on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm really looking forward to see what you've done with your Inktober project. So now I have 31 beautiful gray and black bijou tiles with tangles. Let's see. I'm gonna add something more, maybe. Okay, so my pen is a little clogged. Just gonna add just a bunch of little dots. This one to see how it's gonna work. Just wanna bring a little more brightness to this big pork root. Yeah, it's kind of cute. So anyways, so I have 31 beautiful monotangles from this year's Inktober. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not sure exactly how yet, but I want to put that into some form, perhaps maybe like a little booklet or a little sketchbook or something to keep it in one place. So I may videotape that too later in November, and I think I'm gonna take November slow because I have a few other projects that I'm working on. I really want to focus on, but then maybe coming December I may do Advent project. It's kind of like Inktober, but it will be fun to have a little mindful moment each day as we near Christmas, as we approach Christmas season. Because we tend to be busy. There's an ambulance going outside. Hope it's not too noisy for you. But anyways, I think in December I may do some kind of small, it could be big. Oh, can you hear the ambulance? Sorry about the noise. I live in a big city. I mean, this place isn't too bad. It's a little away from the big street, but it's only a few minutes from the train station, so it's a really busy area that I live. So sorry about the noise. But anyhow, so this is the last day for Inktober 2023. I'm kind of sad that this is ending, and at the same time that I'm happy that I was able to stick to my original plan of doing monotangle every day, each day for the day of Inktober. Anyways, thank you for watching and tangling with me. And if you liked my video, please leave a comment. That would mean a world to me. And thank you for watching, and I will see you sometime in the future. Thanks. Bye.